Hey guys, you're looking at another super nice and clean new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Beautiful looking 2014 Subaru Outback, 116,000 miles. Very nice looking wagon, all-wheel drive, and this got limited edition. Body looks beautiful, very nice and clean. Very nice color combination, pearl white exterior over dark brown leather interior. Roof rack, tinted windows, alloy wheels, beautiful Continental tires in a great shape, fog lamps, HID headlights, front row ready. It's been detailed and inspected, guys. It's got clean CARFAX report, no accidents. It is fully loaded inside. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Beautiful factory wood trim, memory seats. Leather interior is nice and clean, in a great shape. It's got power seats and heated memory seats, Bluetooth, cruise control, traction control. It's got pre-collision system as well. 116,000 miles, no warning lights on the dash. Nice and clean dashboard, no issues, no problems. It's got navigation, it's got rear view camera, push to start button, automatic climate control, AM, FM, CD, aux, satellite radio, automatic transmission, non-smoking, no odors inside, clean headliner with a sunroof, back seat, nice and clean, your floor mats in the trunk. So if you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful 2014 Subaru Outback Limited, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Alloy wheels, Continental tires. Let's open the hood and take a peek under the hood. 4 cylinders, gas saver, all-wheel drive, green CARFAX, very well kept and maintained, fully loaded, 2014 Subaru Outback Limited, 116,000 miles, front row ready. So give us a call, guys, with any questions, please, 847-496-4250. Check our website, carcitychicago.com, for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Please stop by and visit our store. We have a very nice variety of used cars. Financing is available, so please stop by. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois, and we are Car City Inc. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a beautiful day.